Hi, this is Casey Atkinson with Willie Driving School here in Logan, Utah. Today we're going to talk about how to prepare for the road test. First things first, don't be afraid. It's not that bad. The main thing they check on and to test you on is to make sure you're a safe driver. So you'll go around the block a couple times, you'll go through a couple intersections. There's a couple things you want to make sure you do during the test. First thing, always signal and always check your blind spot. So when you're turning, signal, then glance over your shoulder to check the area to the side of your car. As long as you do that, you'll be fine. Be extra careful at intersections, stop at stop signs, yield at yield signs, follow all the rules. When it comes to maneuvers, make sure you practice before the test in your own car so you can get used to the feel of your car. Practice parallel parking, hill parking, turning around in a driveway, straight line backing, U-turns, all those good maneuvers. So as long as you practice those in a car that you're used to and take the test in that same car, it shouldn't be too hard. Now, if you do fail the test, don't worry about it. It happens. Just take it again, get back on the horse, try it again.